Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a meta title and description in two pages in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to websites. Now, next to the website that you want to add a meta title and description to pages in Hostinger website builder, click on edit website. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and the page that I want to optimize the SEO title and description for is this services page. So first click on it. As you see, it is called services. First, let's view it live. This is the page, and as you see, it is called services. Or let's use this website to see the description. As you see, this page is not using a meta description tag. So to add a new SEO title and meta description, simply go to pages, and next to the page you will see here your current pages. Next to the page that you want to add the title for, click on these three dots and select SEO settings. You will see this new page. Here you can see your current page title and description. As you see, the title is services and description is not used at all. If you scroll down here, you can fill in a new SEO title and meta description. So here I will use this meta title or SEO title, and this is my meta description. Now you can either fill in your SEO title and description manually or click on this generate new SEO info. So first let's generate them using AI. Tell us about your page. This is my HVAC services page for my business in NYC. Click on next step. Select 3 keywords for your page: HVAC services, heating and cooling NYC. Next step, review search engine appearance. This is your new meta title and this is the description. So if you are okay with them, you can click on finish, or you can still edit them from here. Click on finish, and just like that you get a new you generated a new SEO title and meta description. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And just like that, you get a new you generated a new SEO title and meta description using AI. Here, close this window and don't forget to hit this update website button to publish this new page title and description. And now that my website is updated, let's view it live. Go to the same page, and as you see, this is my new page title, this is the old one, and this is the new one. And this is how to add a meta title and description to pages in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.